friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video we are going to go through the new occupation ceilings that has been launched by the government of Australia for the immigration year of 2020 and 21. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now, because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, recently we saw an invitation round for Australia where 500 invitations were issued for 189 category. Now a lot of people were speculating like what's gonna be the immigration this year. So I'll come up in a different video where I'll share my analysis of what I think is gonna be. Of course there's no surety, but right now what I'm showing you is the ceilings, the numbers they have divided for the occupations, because when it comes to Australia they do invite people based on their occupation as well. Like they have created some pro rata occupations where they adjust the cutoffs so that only limited number of people can get it, because a lot of candidates are in those occupations, unlike Canada where they just come up with a single cutoff and anything on top of it goes into the invitation. Alright, so guys, last year this time when the pro rata, when occupation ceilings were announced, when Australia was about to renew the plans for immigration, as if you remember I published various resources, like they were putting focus towards regional immigration, and things were going as per their plan till December, when we started seeing something unexpected. As we all know, the current pandemic that has gripped the whole world, not only a particular country. So that has got impacts on Australia as well, as you can see. But anyway, it's good that they have started conducting and draws, and that means still requirements are there. Up to what extent we will see down the line. So like here on this link, if you go, you can see the numbers. Although lot of numbers you will see very less compared to last year. Something significant I saw in this accountants, they just need 1000 numbers. This used to be a very popular profession. In fact, you see this star, that means it's a pro rata occupation where there are so many candidates available. That means this year we are going to have a very tough competition under this occupation, and they have already conducted a draw on this 14 July that I already published. So a lot of these people were not even invited. Now you can see that starting from this chemical and material engineers, they have started inviting people. See similarly for electronic engineers, they just have kept 1000 number. Other engineering professional, again 1000 number. So pro rata occupations have been severely affected. So that means we are going to have a very tough competition this year. But nothing to lose your morale. Keep your morale high, try to score more and look for other pathways as well. That's all you can do. That's in your hand. Now see ICT business and system analyst, just 2273, and no one has been invited. Software and application programmer, it's 8405. So we'll have competition here as well, because a lot of people apply under this category. Computer network professional, so this is what it is now. So we'll see how it goes down the line, but I expect it to be less than last year. But anyway, I'll come with the full analysis later. You can go to this link and check this out yourself. Thank you for now guys.